Can you see yourself in the 2019 Volkswagen Jetta? This vehicle still has fewer than 25,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's a comfortable, modern Jetta that's as fun to drive as it is practical. This refined, compact sedan delivers delightful performance, while its driver assist safety features help you protect your most precious cargo. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Enjoy the driving satisfaction you deserve. This Jetta is waiting for you. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.